Hey guys, Film on Troy here, and today I'm going to be doing something that I usually don't do. Today, I'm going to be talking about Worker. Now, you guys may be thinking, what the heck is Worker? I'm going to tell you what Worker is. Worker is a 3D printing company that makes aftermarket parts for nerf guns. They make stuff for Stryfe, Rapid Strikes, Ravens. They make bullpup kits for Stryfes. They make full auto, select fire kits, motors. They sell LEDs. They sell pretty much everything you can think of that you want to add on your gun. So, starting off, I'm not going to tell you which kit I bought, but you'll see soon enough. This is a Stryfe with attachment nozzle. Pretty boring, simple nerf, right out of the box. Shoots pretty well. Well, I'll tell you something now. It performs the exact same with the incredibly long barrel this thing has. No, it is not a sniper kit. Don't want any of you commenting saying, what if it was a sniper kit? No. It's not a sniper kit, I swear. You Fortnite fans might already recognize this. If you do, like, subscribe, tell me when you knew exactly what this was. You other people who don't play Fortnite, which I do, and I kind of really suck at. Tell me when you figure out what this thing actually is. If you guys think it's an AR, you're wrong. What does this look like? Now you people might recognize it. This is a kit that most Fortnite people love. I really love. Mainly because not only does it look sweet, but it actually does not hinder performance at all. You know, it has a ginormous barrel. Again, no, it's not a sniper kit. It doesn't even require a screwdriver. It does require a screwdriver if you want the flip-up sight. Besides that, it doesn't require any other tools whatsoever, except strong hands, magazines, and darts. And this, my friends, your fellow YouTubers, is the legendary $75 plus shipping and handling Star H kit. That's right. This thing is by far the coolest nerf gun I have in my arsenal, and I actually do have a good amount. And not only, this is actually 3D printed. You can't go to a store and say, "Oh, hey, I want Scar L Nerf Stryfe," and someone say, "Oh, okay, here you go." No, this specialty made. And you can see, yeah, it actually is 3D printed. Sounds like the thing that you hear on those like moving cups, those animated cup things. Well, this thing is awesome. It does technically four things, whatever. It has flip-up sights. It has a folding stock. It's hard to get on it. There. Which does fold back. Oh my gosh, I really need to get some to hold this thing down. And on top of that, this thing is can be used, especially this, for more than one thing. Not only can this be used for a scar, it can be used to make an AR or something else, mainly because it's flat like this. If there were no flip-up sights or anything on there, you wouldn't even know it was a scar kit anyway. That is one of the coolest things that are about this. Now, forget it. Forget about me rambling about how cool this thing looks. The real question is, how good is the quality? Well, when I ordered this thing has amazing quality. Everything works as it's advertised, I guess you could say. But this is exactly what you'd expect, plus more. Because this kit, I love it. Worker, every single one of you guys, or your workers for worker, pat yourself on the back right now, or as soon as you see this, and comment, I did a great job. Because you guys did. This, words can't describe how awesome this is. The print, the quality of it, the way it fits together, the smooth operation, the fact that this ginormous barrel does not hinder this thing's performance. All of it. You guys did great. Pat yourselves on the back. Because regardless of the prices, if there's something I want, I'm going to buy from worker. Yeah. Your guys' stuff, phenomenal. Just to see, only the one thing that I kind of have a grudge with, but not really, it doesn't fire Aki Strike. See, it'll fire Jam sometimes. It fires Elite, but when I put in Aki Strikes, it'll barely fire them. But Jam, it'll fire them once or twice, but it takes a long time to actually find a dart that'll actually fit in it. But anyway, forget about that. Great job, guys. You guys did excellent. I'm planning on ordering something else. I don't know 100% what yet, but whatever it is, it's going to be awesome. Great job, worker. Keep cranking out awesome stuff. One thing that I'd really like to see is that you start actually making more kits, not strictly for the Stryfe or the Retaliator or the Prophecy or whatever, but for other Nerf blasters, like more kits for the Rapid Strike, or more kits for the ECS-12, or add-ons for the crossbow, instead of being kind of centered on single blasters. Besides that, you guys are great. Keep cranking out the great stuff, guys. This is Foam on Trade 08, signing off.